Okay, Pockets. We need to measure your ears. Okay, hold on. Stand still. Oh, gosh. How are we going to fit those in your suit? Hey, guys. So, Pockets and I are here this morning, and you guys don't really know Pockets, or maybe you remember him. He's my friend, and we've been friends for a long time, and we talk to the preschoolers a lot. But you know what? We just got word from NASA that Pockets has been chosen to be the first kangaroo to go to space. That's right, we are going to space. Isn't that exciting? We are ready to launch. We are ready. Well, we're not quite ready. We're getting ready to launch. I get to be a part of the launch team. He gets to put on this suit. What do you think? You like that? I think he'll fit. We just have to try to figure out where his ears are going to go. And then he's going to get to go to space. So we are excited to get ready for that. And you know what? Talking about this and thinking about being the very first kangaroo in space, it's going to take some initiative. It's something that you can't just talk about. It's something that you've got to just do something with. And so we're going to do it. Pockets have volunteered. I'm on his team, and we've decided that we're going to do it. And you know what? That reminds us of our Bible story for today. This month, the whole month, we're going to be talking about a man named Nehemiah who lived a long, long time ago. And he had gotten some terrible news that the city that he loved, his hometown, Jerusalem, had been destroyed. And he got word about it, and he decided he needed to be the one to do something about it. And so he got a team together, and he went, and he helped to rebuild that city. Now, it wasn't easy, and I know our space flight is not going to be easy, is it? No, I know, but we're excited to do it. So this month, we are talking about initiative. Initiative is this: seeing what needs to be done and doing it. So just like Nehemiah saw that the city needed to be rebuilt and he did it, Pockets and I see that we're going to space and we're the ones to do it. So I hope you'll join us on our adventure as we get ready to launch.
Whoa! Yeah. Oh, Nelly!
Hey, what you doing?
I'm launching foot missiles.
Oh, cool. Let me see.
Watch this.
All right.
Oh! It barely
Hey,
launched.
can I try?
Yes, you can actually. Here, let me set this up for you.
Thanks. All right.
Okay.
Right.
We're clear to launch.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Hello, everyone. I'm Brandon.
And I'm John.
And welcome to the So and So Show. John, we have an amazing show today.
That we do.
Yes, we do. But you should probably get rid of this big bag of trash before we get the show started.
Yeah, well, I didn't put it there.
Yeah, I know, but it's kind of blocking the shot.
Yeah,
So.
not my job. Why don't you throw it away?
I didn't put it there either.
Yeah, but it's closer to your side.
Okay, no, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, look, this is your basement.
Yeah, but there's a trash can right beside you.
So what? We're gonna do the show with this giant bag of trash on the desk?
I don't know, Brandon, are we?
So I am so excited about today's show. We have a huge guest.
So big.
Someone that, quite frankly, I can't even believe she agreed to come on the show.
But she is here
today
in this very room.
Should we tell them who it is?
I don't think an introduction is necessary.
I agree. Please welcome someone who knows stuff.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, wow!
Come on in and have a seat.
Yeah, come on in. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Woo!
Wow. We are so happy to have
he's
you here on the show today.
I am so happy to be here.
Look, I'm sure our viewers know who you are, but just in case, tell us who you are and what you know.
People call me Miss Magnificent, the one-woman circus.
Yes. Tell us about some of your amazing acts.
Well, why don't I just show you?
Oh, that would be awesome.
I'll just put this right here.
Wow. Okay, here we go.
Now, before we do anything, it's very important to stretch.
Wow.
Amazing.
How are you doing that? I've never seen anyone do anything like that before.
What? It's like your head is spinning all the way around.
What are you, an owl?
All right, that's better. Okay, now for my very first act, I'm going to bring out
Oh, man.
my very, very good friend, Frank.
Whoa, is that a tarantula?
Whoa! Oh, wait, careful, he's crawling up your arm.
It's crawling on her neck.
Oh, no, it's on your face.
Oh, no.
It's on your face. You have a tarantula on your face.
Okay, back in there, little buddy. Okay, now that Frank is back home safe and sound, I think it's time that we have some fun with swords.
Whoa!
Oh, I think I'm going to need a little more room. How about over there?
Yeah, sure. Come on.
Right over here.
Yeah, sure.
Great spot.
Oh, it's so awesome.
Absolutely. Okay, so we're just gonna get this ready. We're gonna put this up
What is
here.
this? What is this?
Yeah. What are you?
Watch and see. Here we go.
What? No, no.
Oh!
What?
She's swallowing a sword.
That's gonna hurt.
Ah!
I can't believe what I'm seeing.
What? What? What?
And we're through with that one. All right, now, John, take this lighter and light this for me.
All right.
Whoa.
Okay.
No.
Yes.
Oh, that's incredible.
Amazing.
Oh, breathtaking.
Oh, thank you for having me on your little show.
No.
Thank you so much. Our audience has never seen anything like that.
It was my pleasure.
Oh, let me get your hat.
Oh,
Let me
yes,
get your
my hat and my bag.
Sure, there's your hat. Let me get your bag here. Oh, that's perfect. That's
Thank
perfect.
you. Thank you.
Oh, that was so great. See you later. Oh, it was magnificent.
Oh, I like it. I like your style.
Wow.
Yeah.
How do we top that?
It's Bible story time with Kellen. Kellen.
How's it going, Kellen?
Great. Why is there a giant bag of trash on the desk?
We don't know.
Yeah, no idea how it got here.
Hey, but more importantly, did you know who we just had on the show?
Yeah, I was watching. I think it was Miss Magnificent.
Wasn't she incredible?
I don't know. Actually, no one can see her because there was a giant bag of trash blocking her.
No, they were able to see her. I mean, yeah, surely they were. I mean, Steve, you were able to see her, right?
A cookie?
Yeah, but Jason, you were able to.
This is all your fault. If you hadn't thrown,
I
if
told
needed to
you,
throw,
at
told
the
me what?
beginning of the show.
Told me
I
what?
said there was trash on the
This
desk.
is not my
I said there
trash,
was
Brandon.
your
This is-
trash. It was your dad.
Hey guys.
What?
I think I got a story that can help us out.
Oh, then by all means, take it away, Kellen.
Gladly. Our story today is from the book of Nehemiah. In fact, we're going to be talking about Nehemiah all month long. So here to help me tell the beginning of his story are the So-and-So Show players. Nehemiah was the king's wine taster.
Oh, King Artaxerxes, this is good. I can smell hints of fig. Oh, and that was cherry. Oh, burnt camel hair.
Ah, that is wonderful.
Yeah.
That you're smelling that. Can you taste it and check for poison?
Yeah, of course. That's my job.
Wine
All right.
taster, not wine smoker.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, King.
Excellent.
That's just.
Nope. 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 Once again.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, man, you should have seen your face. It's fine.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just bottoms up.
Yeah.
Nehemiah had been away from his home in Jerusalem for quite some time. So, when his brother Hanani came to visit, Nehemiah asked him all about Jerusalem.
Nehemiah.
Hanani! Hey! Oh, it's good to see you. Tell me. I want to hear about everything. Tell me how the people are back home in Judah. How's the city of Jerusalem?
Yeah, oh, brother. The people are having a hard time. And Jerusalem. Oh, sweet Jerusalem. The walls of Jerusalem.
I love the walls. They're huge.
Yeah, they were. Were. The walls have come down. Yeah, the gates are burned with fire. Yep, I got you. Yep.
When Nehemiah heard this, he wept for several days, and he didn't eat any food.
You're out of strawberry. Nope.
I think you get the point. Nehemiah was sad, and he did something that's helpful to do when you're feeling sad. He prayed to God. Nehemiah praised God in his prayers. And he also admitted that he and his people, well, they kind of messed up and they hadn't been following God. Also, in his prayers, Nehemiah asked God to give him success when he asks King Artaxerxes a really big favor.
Nehemiah, would you?
That's good.
What? Nehemiah, well, you're sad. Why are you so sad?
King, may you live forever.
Yep.
But my city, where my people of old have been buried, it's been destroyed. The city's destroyed, and the walls and gates have been burned with fire.
Terrible. What do you want?
Nehemiah again prayed to God before he made his request of the king.
If it please you, I would ask that you send me to Judah, to the city of Jerusalem, so that I can rebuild the wall.
How long will it take?
The king gave Nehemiah permission. And Nehemiah also asked the king to send along letters that would not only make sure he had a safe journey, but it would also help Nehemiah get access to logs he could use to rebuild part of the city wall. Artaxerxes gave him the letters and sent an army of officers with him for protection. After Nehemiah had been in Jerusalem for 3 days, he went out at night to check on the wall. He went through the valley gate toward the Jackal Well.
Hey, whoa. The Jackal Well?
That's what it says.
All right. Let's go.
And then he walked to the Dung Gate.
Dung Gate?
Dung Gate. It's right there in the Bible.
You know what? This is wild. It's wild.
Nehemiah saw that the entire wall had been destroyed. So he went back to speak with the priest and the officials of Jerusalem.
Good. Are all the priests and the officials here?
Yeah.
Right here.
All right, good. Good.
Who did you say this guy was? Let's listen.
Hello. Sorry. Hello, friends. We all know what kind of trouble that we are in right now. Jerusalem has been destroyed, and our gates have been burned with fire.
It's awful. Never been.
I know, it's terrible. It is terrible.
Agony.
But
Agony,
there's,
I say.
yes, it is. But listen, please stop.
Where are we going?
Please stop. Thank you. We must try to, nay. We will rebuild the wall around Jerusalem. We will rebuild the wall.
Never thought of that.
Yes, we can do that. My friends, listen, God has been gracious to me. God has helped me, and King Artaxerxes has given us supplies that will help us rebuild the wall right now. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, okay.
Yes. Okay. All right. So who is ready to get to work and rebuild the wall? Good. Excellent. Let's go. Let's go.
To be continued. Thank you so much, So-and-So Show players. Take a bow.
Wow, great story, Kellen.
Right? Back then, city walls protected people from enemies and wild animals. They were very important. So, Nehemiah was heartbroken to find out that the walls of Jerusalem were broken down. Hear me out. Now, it wasn't Nehemiah's fault that the walls were broken down. It wasn't his job to fix them. But after he talked with God, Nehemiah knew he had to do something.
And he just did it.
Yep. With God's help, Nehemiah got to work. He didn't wait for someone else to do what needed to be done.
Yeah.
You guys got it from here?
Yeah, I think we do.
Yeah, thanks, Kellen.
Later, guys.
See you next time. You know?
Yeah. But first, reveal the question. What around you needs to be done?
Great question.
Sure is. Maybe you have a school project you've been putting off.
Or maybe you notice some dishes that need to be done, and even though they aren't yours, you wash them.
Or maybe there's a giant bag of trash on your studio desk.
And it's been there the whole show.
Not your trash.
And it's not either of yours, but you realize it's there.
And what needs to be done
Is you just need to
throw the trash away. I see something else that needs to be done.
Yeah. Trash can basketball?
Absolutely.
Hey, talk about it together.
What around you needs to be done?
And we'll see you next time on the So-and-So Show.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right. Hit it.
All right, go. Oh, off the backboard. Oh, man. Denied.
Maybe you can do an assist instead.
Okay, here we go.
Alley-oop.
Oh! That's how you do it, chicken.
I can't make a basket.
I can't either. And I'm standing right next to it. Oh, all the confetti.
Yes!
Nice!
I made one!
You made a trash can! Hey, come on, let's keep going!
That's not...
What? Come on!
No!
Yeah! I love... Oh, that's good.
All right, I think we're good.
Yeah, this looks about normal.